Alright, I'm back and I'm going to put a screen protector on this Tesla Model 3 screen. I bought this on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. I think it was like, I don't know, 30 bucks or something like that. And so if you want to purchase it, you can do that. But we'll go ahead and open this up and start with the process of putting it on. Alright, so this is what's inside. It tells you installation tools, a plastic suction cup. I'm assuming that's what they mean. And a cleaning cloth, alcohol prep pad, and dust removal stickers to just, you could use tape probably if you needed to. So that's what's in these things. And here's the actual, screen unit. Here's the suction cups, and here's the unit here. You want to call it unit. Here's the screen protector. It's obviously pretty big to go on there. And here's some more instructions. It's basically like a big iPhone, or Android, whatever. You're just going to put a screen protector on it. It's pretty common that we do that, so we're going to give it a shot on this. Alright, so I went ahead and took the alcohol pad here and I wiped it all down. Now I'm going to use the little cloth that they provided, wipe it off with that. Look for any residual dust and use these little stickers if I have to, and then we'll go ahead and put the screen protector. The thing that I'll recommend is that if you hit the car icon and go to display, then there'll be a screen clean mode, which is what we're in now. Because you want to hit that, because when you do the alcohol pad and you just, if you lightly do this, you're going to notice that if you shine a light on it, you didn't get all the streaks. And so you really have to kind of apply a lot of pressure with this. And so it's better to put it in the screen clean mode. So now it's time for the piece. A little tape here, and then I matched it up as best I could along the edges rather than using a suction cup. And so I'll just lift this part up, peel that part off, and we should be able to push it in place. Probably use a credit card or something to squeegee out the bubbles. So I peeled that little piece off, and you can see it starting to work itself out, coming to the edges. I haven't pushed anything yet. You can kind of see it starting to put itself into place. I know we'll probably have to squeegee it a little bit just because that's what we normally have to do with these screen protectors. But that's doing a pretty good job there. We'll go ahead and rub it down. I'm going to rub it down with this cloth again to kind of squish them out, and then we'll use a squeegee. I just rubbed it down with the cloth, and I don't see any bubbles. I didn't really even have to use a credit card, or they didn't provide even any kind of device to whatever card or anything to push out the bubbles, because this just adhered almost perfectly. I didn't see any bubbles whatsoever. So I highly recommend that. I've seen some other videos where people had to push out the bubbles just like you would on like the iPhone I'm filming with right now. But yeah, it's really pretty good. So recommend it. That was the this is the, I don't even want to pronounce that, Ruya. And I got that on Amazon. Again, I'll go ahead and post a link down below for those of you interested. Alright, as always, please subscribe, and if you have any questions or anything, you can comment below. Take care, guys.